This is a Lexco part number P-22-012. It's a 3-cavity tool. The largest cavity is 1/16, and then below that 3/64, and below that 1/32. And it's used for crimping aluminum and copper. In the largest jaw right now, I have a 1/16 aluminum sleeve and a 1/16 7/7 galvanized aircraft cable. And with this tool, it is just a squeeze and release. And for the sleeve to get a good crimp, you'll want to move over and then get a second crimp on that sleeve. Squeeze and release. Now you've crimped your 1/16 cable sleeve loop. And the other feature of this tool is that it has a cutter built into the head. I'll show that to you now. And it's got this little slot, squeeze and cut. So it's a very nifty tool, great for 1/16, 3/64, and 1/32. Thank you.